mfowethu.
Ngiyabila brother.
Sure.
Awela.
We talk football SA.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah. We talk football SA. Inali abuti mang.
Samuel Acosta.
Samuel Lacoste.
Yes.
Yeah, we want to join game that.
Game eliminati brother, guys. Eliminati. Nere kalo linyat.
Yes.
Ulukwa nere kwa yona ya refer half time.
Yeah.
Then we come back able to get 3 goals and 3 points. And mind you, must score goals. Was part of this are go pick the goal again. Must score goals. Must score goals. Only what's going to happen.
Yeah.
But what I can tell you, the boys fought.
Yes.
They give us a good results.
Yeah.
And nothing more nothing else. Now we focus on our game against Chiefs on Wednesday. We're gonna be on Wednesday. Come and support the boys. Nothing more nothing less. Bagania.
Yeah.
It's unfortunate, my brother, to let him that we won't take the league. The league is mine.
Abangani yake mangi nagijugetse no.
Utlwetse?
Yeah, no ngithi hi no ngisebenza mo. Fela.
Usebenza
Talk
mo?
football SA. Yeah.
No problem.
So usikambisa abangani yake ushapa kampanga.
Sorry, brother. By the way, there is a Kruger United from home.
Yes.
They've been promoted to Beto Premiership.
Yes.
I want to say congratulations to them. Because now we've got 2 teams from Mpumalanga as well.
Yes.
So we have 2 teams from Mpumalanga, which is a good thing for us.
That's wonderful.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
And again, congratulations to them yesterday winning the Red Cup.
That was very important.
Yeah.
And they deserved it.
They did it.
Yeah.
So I will encourage the fans. Let's come to the stadium and fill up the stadium.
Yes.
Because now I play against Chiefs, but some people support the boys.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, my brother.
Thank you.